Moving on to question number 5. The diagram shows some pieces of apparatus that you find in a laboratory. We have A, B, C, D, E, and F. Complete the table by giving the name of each of the apparatus. So B क्या है? ये B है, and this is E. So what is the name of B? B आपके पास filter funnel. B is a filter funnel. उसके बाद क्या है? D का क्या नाम है? What is D? D is just a test tube. इसको हम test tube कहते हैं, or we can also call it a boiling tube. Both answers are acceptable by the examiner. E क्या है? E is known as a pipette. ये जो pipette होता है, pipette की खास बात ये है that it measures exact 25 centimeter cube of volume. तो E आपका pipette है, और F क्या है? F is a normal beaker. It does not have any markings. इसलिए ये measuring cylinder नहीं है. Don't confuse it with a measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder के ऊपर measurement markings होती हैं. Over here you can see on F that there are no measurements. मतलब कि normal beaker ही है. Give the letters, part B को अगर हम देखें, give the letters of the two pieces of apparatus that could be used to measure an accurate volume of liquid. हमने कुछ दो pieces of apparatus के नाम बताने हैं that can be used to measure an accurate volume of liquid. तो पहला जो है वो A है, क्योंकि A भी exact volume ही measure करता है. वो 50 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के भी होते हैं, 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के भी होते हैं, और E भी specific है. This is also specific, this is also specific. तो जो A है, A भी specific है, E भी specific है. Whereas conical flask, filter funnel, test tube और ये F जो beaker है, they do not have any markings. Only A and E can measure specific volumes. तो आपके पास आंसर हो जाएगा A and E would be your correct answer. Question number 6. The compound with the formula H2O can exist in 3 states of matter. The names of these 3 states are shown in the boxes. The number 1, 2, 3, and 4 represent changes of state. आपके पास ice है, water है और steam है. The particles of H2O are arranged differently in each of the state. In which state are the particles furthest apart? Furthest apart वो किस state में होंगे? Obviously your answer would be steam. Steam के अंदर the particles would be furthest apart. In which state do the particles have the least energy? Least energy आपके पास solids में होगी. तो यहाँ पे solid कौन सा है? Ice is solid. And in which state are the particles arranged in a regular pattern? Regular pattern भी आपके पास कहाँ पे present होता है? In an ice. Change of state 1 is called A, B, C या D. Boiling, condensing, freezing या melting. तो change of state in 1 क्या है? पहले मैं बता दूं, ice is a solid, water is liquid, steam is gas. These are all water. H2O ही हैं ये सारे. तो वो कह रहे हैं change of state 1 क्या है? Which is solid to liquid. Solid to liquid को हम एक नाम देते हैं which is melting. Change of state 4 क्या है? What is the change of state 4 is called? You tell me the answer. State 4 का आंसर क्या होगा? Open up your mic. Steam to water.
Sublimation.
Gas to liquid क्या होगा? Gas to liquid. Think again.
What are the options?
आपके पास options ये हैं: boiling, condensing, freezing, and melting.
I think it's condensing.
Exactly, it's condensing. Sublimation तो gas to solid और solid to gas है. Liquid is not involved. Condensing जो होता है, that is gas to liquid. Your answer is correct. The term sublimation is also used for the change of state. Sublimation is the change of state from. Now this is what you can answer. Tell me the answer. A, B, C or D. Sublimation क्या होगा?
Solid to gas.
Exactly. Well done. Correct answer would be option number D. Next question. Heat energy is released when steam changes to water. Which term is used to describe this type of energy change? तो ये हमारा अभी हमने we haven't studied this chapter yet, but the answer is exothermic. We haven't done this yet. This is a question from the changes in energy chemicals. ये अभी तक हमने नहीं पढ़ा, but you can remember that the answer is basically exothermic. Write an equation including state symbols for the change of state from steam to water. तो steam क्या होता है? दोनों substance के नाम के H2O और water भी H2O ही है. But जो आपका steam है, steam is basically in a gaseous form और water आपके पास liquid form में होता है. So the chemical equation using state symbols. H2O is the chemical और ये उसका state symbol है and this is the process known as gas to liquid क्या हो रहा है condensation की आपके पास chemical equation is given over here.